So I want to show you the Spigen Pixel 8 Pro Ultra Hybrid Case. This one is made for the Google Pixel. Let's go ahead and open this up and show you how it fits on my Google Pixel 8 Pro. That's what it looks like there. It looks like it's got some protective plastic on it. We'll pull that off. So there it is there, a little bit flexible on the sides, fairly hard. All the cutouts there. Let's put this on my Google Pixel 8 Pro. There we go. It fits on there quite nicely. Looks like all the cutouts for the camera fit perfectly. And it's raised above the camera there, so you're going to get lots of protection. And the buttons look like they line up perfectly. I'll turn it on here. Yeah, those line up perfectly. And the cutouts here at the bottom for your USB-C connector. And it's also raised here above the screen as well, so it will help a little bit if you drop it face down. It goes past the edge right there. Really nice lightweight case there so you can still see your phone. And again, that is the Spigen Pixel 8 Pro Ultra Hybrid Case.